I would like to share with you my wonderful experience with Dr. Holevas and his staff. I must first tell you that I have only known Dr. Holevas for about 2 years. Before meeting Dr. Holevas, I did have a dentist for 15 years, which I saw on a regular basis. About 7 years ago, I noticed my gums bleeding after I would use a plastic toothpick after meals. The bleeding kept on getting worse, and that is when I mentioned to my dentist, and he gave me a mouthwash to rinse after brushing. One day I was talking to my friend about my problem, and she explained to me how bleeding in the mouth was not good for your health. So I decided to give her dentist a call to find out if there was something else I could do about this bleeding problem. Of course, I was surprised when Dr. Holevas' hygienist, Debbie, told me that I had periodontal disease. She then told me they had invested a lot of hours in advanced training for treatment of periodontal disease and that they use a laser to reduce the bacteria, which would stop the bleeding. After a series of appointments with Debbie where she did scaling and laser treatments, the bleeding stopped. She also gave me instructions in home care to make sure the bleeding did not reoccur. Dr. Holevas redid some crowns where there had been excessive bleeding, and that also helped the gums tissues heal. I am so glad I know now that bleeding in the mouth is not healthy. I know that it is a sign of bacteria staying in the mouth too long. With the help of Dr. Holevas and his staff, my gums are not bleeding anymore and my mouth has never felt better. To the entire staff, I say thank you.